Okay, let's make one more cam, the heart-shaped cam. And it's kind of funky. Look at this. It's got this really small radius. Let's go make it. So let's set it up here in this file. And so let's hide all those other cams. Boom, 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 boom. Let's make another plane. So I'll go to the plane tool. Boom. Offset from plane 3. We'll make plane 4. Yay. And let's hide plane 3. Sweet. I'm going to view it from the front view here. And let's start a new sketch on plane 4. Now, you'll notice this has a construction line around the outside. That's the nominal diameter. So let's put that in there. Grab the circle tool, start at the center, and make a circle. Grab your dimension tool and say, hey, I want that dimension to be D for diameter, and then it pops up, and click on the hashtag D, and there it is. Now, I want that to be a construction line, so you can right click on it. Oh, get out of my dimension there. Right click and go construction line. It's not actually part of the sketch. And there's also to toggle it between construction and regular right there. Okay, what else we got? Let's put this point on there. So I have to go over and up. So over is the same as going left here, which is D over 5. So I have to go over D over 5, up D over 8. So let's go do that. Let's grab a point. Where's my point guy? Hey. Where's my point? Oh, hit escape. And oh, there's the point right there. And let's put a point over here. Boom. Now let's dimension. It needs to go from the center to that point, and make sure you got a nice horizontal dimension here. And that was the D over 5. So hit your D. So hashtag D there, hit enter, divided by 5. Cool. And then that vertical distance was D over 8. So we're still on our dimension. Dimension from the center to that point. Make sure you get a nice vertical dimension. And do D, select the D, divided by 8. Enter. Cool. I think that's what it needed to be. D over 5 and D over 8. Let's look. D over 5, D over 8. Sweet. Let's put the other point on there. And this time, instead of putting it there, let's just do a mirror. And let's click on mirror. It says select a mirror line. So this vertical line is our mirror line. Select entities to be mirrored, it says. So now click on that point, and it just puts it right there. Let's put that point down there now, and I know it's on this vertical, so let's click somewhere down there. Let's go see where it's supposed to be. 9/20ths of the diameter, so that's 9D divided by 20. Let's go dimension now. From the center to that point, and then we'll do 9 times, that's shift 8, D, and really it's that hashtag D, so click on that, divided by 20. So see what that looks like. 9 asterisk pound D divided by 20. That just means 9 times the diameter divided by 20, and hit enter. And it places it right there. Cool. Now we have to put these arcs on there. We have 3 arcs to place right now. And this arc has a radius of D over 4. Now, arcs in this program have radii. Circles have diameters. So let's go over here, and let's go grab the arc tool. Here it is. Do the center point arc. Grab it. Start on one of these center points. Click on it, and now let's just click anywhere and then cruise it around, and then anywhere like that. Okay, so now it's saying, well, how big do you want the radius to be? Well, that's going to be D. Oops, click on your dimension, try it again. Needs to be D over